Hi Leslie, how are you? This is Mr. Chan. I'm making this video just to show you exactly what I'm talking about so that there's absolutely no confusion. So at the beginning of every week, I post in Google Classroom. There's something called the pacing calendar, okay? And it says right here, this is the pacing calendar for the week of May 4th, okay? And within the pacing calendar, I list out the various assignments. So in this particular week, it looks like there is a video I wanted you guys to watch, and you guys have to take notes on it. It's one of 3 videos that you have to do, as it says in the first line there, and it was due on May 5th. And then there's 2 of 3. There are 2 different videos I have to watch, okay, in the 2 of 3 assignments, and then 3 of 3 videos that you have to watch. And then take notes and submit in Google Classroom, which been pretty good on, okay? The only thing is, okay, there's actually other exercises that you have to complete. So for instance, if you notice in where it says arc measure, this line right here, where it says arc measure, notice that it says right here that this is actually an exercise, right? That right there is an exercise. And this is an example of something that you have to complete within Khan Academy. Notice that there's a due date there. It says the due date was May 7th. And you had to do this. Now, within every one of these pacing calendars, okay, I actually list out on average anywhere between 3 to 5 different exercises. Um, Actually, no, I take that back. Anywhere between 2 to 4 exercises for the entire week. So if you've completed it in Google Classroom, not in Google Classroom, in Khan Academy, I will give you credit for that. So let me scroll over to your um, Khan Academy right now. So as you can see, where it said arc measure before in that pacing calendar, notice right now it says right here on the arc measure, this one right here. I'm unable to highlight, but you see what I'm talking about, right? In the middle of the screen where it says arc measure, it says not completed. Okay, you got a 0. The things that I do see that are completed are the videos, okay, which you've watched and taken notes of, and I thank you for that. But then there are exercises. There are a lot of these exercises that you have not completed. Notice all these exercises, okay, that you have not completed. This page that I'm looking at right now, this is your profile. This is you, right? El Suarez. Okay, and I'm able to see the activity that you've been doing, and I noticed that you've watched about 100 minutes worth of like videos, and uh, let me see here, in the last 30 days, you've done 83 minutes of exercises, and that's great. Okay, I'm really happy that you are, doing that aspect of the work, but you have to also complete those exercises that I was pointing out before. So what I would do if I were you, I would just cross-reference with what was listed um, in Google Classroom, okay, with the various weeks. Look at the pacing calendar. Look at the various things here that you have to complete. I immediately see just from a quick glance here, right? Here, let's do this again. I'm gonna load all the assignments. Okay, I'm just gonna focus on the assignments from May. Okay, let's not even talk about April. Let's just talk about May. So because in May we started circles, right? So I noticed right here in the middle of the screen, do you see circles glossary, right? So circles glossary, and then you've watched a couple of videos, but then arc measure, it's not completed. Arc measures with equations, arc length, circles quiz 1, uh, radius and radians and degrees, and radians and arc length. You see, these are all exercises that you have to complete. Okay, and again, you don't have to complete every single exercise that's listed here. What you have to do again, you have to cross-reference with the pacing calendar that I post up. So look at the pacing calendar. It's posted every Monday and check that out, okay, and see which exercises you have completed and which exercises you have not. And once you have them completed, okay, email me back, and I'll be more than happy to update Jupiter grades for you. Okay. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.